head chef and founders of Saybons. Today I'm going to show all of you some behind the scenes of how we cook our fresh tomato soup using classical French techniques. So let's go! Tomato soup has to be one of the most underrated soup in the culinary world. But I think the soup deserves so much more recognition because in terms of cooking techniques, time to prep, this soup can be as tedious to make as achieving a good French onion soup or a consommé. The key to getting a good, robust tomato soup is to first start with very ripe tomatoes. These very ripe tomatoes would be naturally sweeter and they would have developed their full flavor as well. French chefs believe that the seed and skin of the tomatoes cause indigestion, which is why most French culinary techniques require us to remove the seed and skin, and we are only left with the pure tomato flesh for cooking. You'll be surprised that a good tomato soup is just made out of two key ingredients, which are sauteed onions and lots of generous amount of tomatoes and some aromatics. But a lot of time is spent getting these ingredients ready for the final cookout. Classical French technique requires us to pass the blended soup through a fine sieve, and so that's where the labourer's part comes in again. But the final product of a nice, silky, smooth tomato soup makes it all worthwhile. The tomato soup is our most time-consuming soup to cook because from start to finish it can take easily 6 to 8 hours depending on the batch that you are cooking. But having said that, it's also one of the best showcase of all the French culinary techniques in one soup. I hope everybody enjoyed the video and you will give this soup a try. If you'd like to see more of these videos, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like.